panel. In this video I will show you how to recondition Landi Renzo injectors. We need a bench vise, and an indicator micrometer tool. Our type indicator measurement instrument. Here you can see the distance of the worn blue head injector. And hereafter I reconditioned it, with a much smaller opening. I transformed this bench vise so I could open the injectors. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The injectors have 3 to 4 welding points, which we open with the help of the vise. After disassembly we can clean them with any degreasing solution. This bronze head is stamped from the factory. After the adjustment of the spring power it is stamped. Is not thread-based, does not unscrew. Their wear takes place on this pill, which close and open the gas. This pill becomes thinner due to its long operation, thus the opening distance increases, increasing the amount of gas injected to the engine, and from here appears the very rich mixture and the irregular running of the engine. This part of the injector is inserted by pressing, but for a better fixation of the injector head I will use an AB adhesive. The optimal distance is 27 to 28 micrometers.